Nomad meaning pronunciation N-O-H-mad. Meaning, a nomad is a person or group of people who do not have a permanent home and move from place to place, often in search of food, work, or a better living situation. Simple meaning. Nomad equals a person who moves from place to place without a permanent home. Common uses. 1. Nomad noun. A person who moves around frequently, usually as part of a traditional lifestyle. Example, the nomads traveled with their herds across the desert. 2. Nomad noun, modern context. A person who frequently relocates, often for work, travel, or adventure. Example, she lives like a digital nomad, working from different countries. 3. Nomad noun, figurative. Someone who leads a wandering or constantly changing lifestyle. Example, after changing cities every year, he's become a nomad at heart. Examples daily use sentences. 1. The nomads followed the seasons and moved to new areas in search of food. 2. He's a modern-day nomad, traveling to a new country every few months for his job. 3. As a child of diplomats, she lived like a nomad, never staying in one place for too long. 4. The nomadic lifestyle is common among certain indigenous groups. 5. The nomads set up camp in the valley, staying for a few weeks before moving on. Real-life explanation. Nomads traditionally travel to find food or better living conditions, often based on the needs of farming or herding animals. In modern times, the term is used for people who live flexible lives, moving frequently for work or travel purposes, especially in digital or remote jobs.